Richard Mille RM027 Tourbillion Rafael Nadal watch. RM027 was to bring a tourbillon into the arena that was capable of withstanding the shocks incurred for hours on end on clay. Clay courts which can involve forces of several hundreds Gs while remaining totally comfortable and lightweight. A real challenge for any tourbillon movement. Caliber RM027 manual winding tourbillon movement with hours and minutes. RM027 tourbillon in close calibration with Rafael Nadal, who tested the RM027 in real world conditions and wore it during tennis matches. The base plate of the RM027 tourbillon is made from titanium and little alloy. A high lithium content alloy containing aluminium, copper, magnesium, and zirconium, possessing a density of 2.55. Addition of lithium, one of the lightest elements to the alloy mixtures, provides great strength without adding unnecessary weight. This particular alloy is also used for the same reason in the aerospace industry in the constructions of Airbus A380 helicopters, rockets, and satellites, as well as in F1 racing cars. The result is one of the world's lightest mechanical tourbillon wristwatch with a movement weight of just mere 3.83 grams. RM027 watch is composed of a composite containing large amount of carbon, provide a tough and resilient enclosure for the tourbillon movement at its center. The back bezel and case band are monoblock to ensure total lightness. The glass, the bezel, and the flank in carbon have remarkable properties of stiffness and torsional rigidity.